In this video, I'm going to teach you about division. So if you saw some of my other videos, you're probably panicking right now and thinking, well, this is not the division you taught me before. But what I need to teach you now is that division is written in two different ways. So this way, which has 16 divided by 2, means how many times does 2 fit into 16? And you're used to probably seeing it this way in my other videos. This means exactly the same thing. How many times does 2 fit into 16? So 16 divided by 2 using this division symbol. So now you will need to start memorizing the division tables. So here is one. You could take a look at it and you can pause the video to start memorizing it. So this just means 2 fits into itself only once. 2 fits into 4 two times, right? 4 is double, right? So it makes sense that 2 would fit into 4 twice. And then you just keep going. And if you get mixed up, you could start drawing the dots like how we did before, right? So if we go to our problem, 16 divided by 2, we could figure out that that's this one. So 2 fits into 16 8 times. So we could circle that. So now we could put in the answer. 16 divided by 2 is equal to 8. And that's it. And remember, if you're confused, you could just rewind the video. Practice makes improvement, and anyone can do math. Just always tell yourself that.